Meet the contestants of Pillsbury's 48th Bake-Off Contest.
This is my Oktoberfest pizza.
Bejeweled cranberry orange rolls.
Toasted spinach pesto ravioli.
Cookies and cream caramel layer bars.
I'm going to be using these to make my bejeweled cranberry orange rolls. Food brings up a lot of memories of my childhood.
My cooking style is definitely influenced by my grandmother. We're gonna put on a little extra cheese for me.
My mom got me into the Pillsbury Bake-Off Contest. But I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna let you crimp it. Okay.
The inspiration for these bars really comes from when my kids were very young. Pour this gorgeous icing over the whole pecan caramel layer.
My bejeweled cranberry orange rolls are a tribute to my mama.
You can honestly do so much with pizza and never mess it up.
The pesto gives it zing.
My recipe is not only delicious, but it is beautiful too.
Brought to you by Pillsbury. What matters most is made at home.